Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Remi for those that are new here. So in this video I'll be unboxing, oh my god guys, I'm so excited. Well, I'm sure you guys have already seen the title of this video, right? So you guys already know what I'm going to be unboxing. So basically I recently got an overlocker and I've wanted one for so long. So this is like, and I picked it up yesterday, which was exactly a month to my birthday, and it just felt like, oh, I'm filming this video on the 14th. I don't know when it's going to be finally out, but yes, I picked it up yesterday the 13th, and my birthday is on December 13th. So it feels like I got myself an early birthday gift. So anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me just bring, what we're all interested in today. Ooh, so here we have the brother 3034DWT Overlock machine, and it comes with a waste tray and a white table. So let's get to opening. I haven't even removed my receipt, so I'm going to remove my receipt now. I'll be telling you guys everything, where I got it from, how much I got it for, basically everything, so you guys don't have to worry. Let's unbox this bad boy. So I'm gonna bend it so you guys can see. So this is what the box looks like. I'm just unboxing it for the first time. Nothing has been touched, so I'll go ahead and bring everything out. So here we have the manual, the operation manual. So here you guys go. This is the operation manual, and I plan on reading every bit of this to see everything the machine can do. I think this is the recycling information. Here I have the warranty card, and here is the instructional DVD. So I'm just gonna put all these aside now. Let's see what else this box has in store for us. And here is the waste tray, I believe. Yeah, because I've seen pictures of this. So this is the waste tray. And over here is the pedal and I'm just going to open it so we can all see together what is in here. I think you plug this to the machine and you plug this to your electrical outlet. So yeah, this is the pedal and the plug, and that's all we have here. So I think this came as a cover to protect the machine, so I'll also put that aside. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? So here, I think this is the extension table. Yes, white table. Yeah, so this is the white table you can use to extend your sewing surface area. So I'll put this aside as well. Then the other thing, this is just an empty box, I guess for protection. This is another empty box for protection. I know you guys are not interested in the empty boxes. And now we are going to go ahead and bring out this. So I'm just going to... Finally, here we have the man of the moment. What we're all interested in, right? So now the box is empty. I'm going to put the box aside. And oh my god, we can go ahead and bring out this beauty. Oh, and here we have the extra foot, I believe, and basically the tools that came with the machine. We're going to explore all of these later, but I'll put them aside for now. Yeah, thank you. So that's it. So this is a dust cover actually. The machine also came with a dust cover. So you can also just like cover it to keep the dust out when you're not using it. So this is very important. This is what it looks like. It comes with 4 threads, I guess, so you can basically have something to practice with. I'm not going to remove this thread yet because I'm going to take my time to study it to see how everything is threaded, right? And I'll also go through the instructional manual just to read everything and watch tons of videos as well. It appears to be color coded, so this is for the blue thread, the green thread, the pinkish purple thread, and the maple pecan kind of thread. So I used to work at a paint company, and this color looks so much like a color we had called maple pecan. I'm going to, guys, this is my very first time. Okay, so over here is where you lift it up. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, it's so sexy. Oh my god, so over here is where you lift this up. This here is where you used to lift it up. We're going to explore what we have here. See if I can open this. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you open it this way. And here is where all the threading magic happens. I'm not going to bore you guys by doing that on the video. So, oh, it's so nice. Like, it's almost like a magnet. It just attracts it. Like, once this is closed. This controls the needles. I think this controls the tension and the stitch length. So what else? It's a 3 or 4 threader. So I think you can either use 3 threaders or 4 threads. I'm going to have to figure that out later on. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but again, we'll figure it out. But it looks a bit broken, like bent towards the inside, but I'm sure it's not broken because this is fresh out of the box, so it shouldn't be broken. But yes, I would have to Google and see to be sure that this actually isn't broken. Yeah, so I think that's all for now for the sewing machine. I will go ahead and test this in a bit. So here is the accessory bag that has all the accessories, and now we will go through all the accessories together. So it comes with a soft cover, which we already saw. Here, this you use to cover the sewing machine to protect it from dust. It comes with an accessory bag, which is what we have here. And in the accessory bag, we have tweezers. So I found the tweezer. So here is the tweezer. I think it's to pick the thread and just use it to, you know, thread the machine. So this is it. Then we have a thread net. That's number 4. So these are thread nets. I honestly don't know what they are meant to be for, but we will figure it out. So these are thread nets. I would assume to cover the thread when you're not using it. I don't know. If you know, please write it down below. Thank you. Then thread spool cap, which is this. This is the thread spool cap. Maybe you use this to... Okay guys, that probably doesn't make any sense. Okay, so it seems you use this for this, maybe when you're using smaller threads. I honestly don't know right now, but again, we'll figure it out. So these are the thread spool caps. If you know what they are meant to be used for, please put it down below. Then cleaning brush. This is the cleaning brush for dusting the machine. It's quite tiny, but it will get the job done. I have one like this for my other sewing machine as well. So this is the cleaning brush. The hexagonal driver, which is this. I think this is for unscrewing the machine. Maybe some parts of the machine you may need to. I am assuming right now. The needle set, so it comes with a needle set, but I'm sure you will need to get a lot more needles and a lot more sizes. But this is the needle set the sewing machine comes with. And foot controller. So where is the foot controller? Number 9. Where is number 9? Oh yes, the pedal. Apparently it's called a foot controller. So this is the foot controller. We already saw this earlier on. And it also comes with some optional accessories, which is nice. This was one of the reasons I really wanted this machine. Well, because A lot of people say it's easy to use and it's very good. It comes with a a bin tray to collect all your fabric, you know, pieces. And I think this is really perfect. We'll figure out how to use this very soon. But yes, I really wanted the foot. So a blind stitch foot. So this is a blind stitch foot. I have one like this already that came with my other sewing machine. Yeah, so I'm used to this. This looks familiar. A gathering foot. I've never used a gathering foot. This is the gathering foot. Yes, this looks more like the gathering foot. Yep. So over here is the gathering foot, and I think this is the piping foot. So the funny thing is that here in this optional accessory, it has 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. That is it has 5 optional accessories, but it only came with 3 accessories in the box. So I'm wondering where the other 2 accessories are, because it has something called the pearl sequence foot and the taping foot. I don't see anything here that looks like those, so I don't know, maybe this is in another box or this comes with other boxes, but I don't have that here. I don't have the pearl sequence foot and the taping foot. I only have the piping foot, the gathering foot, and the blind stitch foot. So I did a quick research and it turns out these 3 foots come free, but I think you can buy the others if you'd like to have them. So there's the pearl sequence foot and the taping foot. So that is for the accessory bag. Now this is the trim trap, which we already saw. So that's the actual word, trim trap, not whatever else I called it earlier. Now it's time to power this bad boy. Okay, so this will be on the floor, of course. This will go in here. And then it's the other way. Okay, and this will be plugged into the socket. So to install the trim trap, there is something underneath this machine here. So this is where you insert it into. So basically, you're gonna put that in there until, yeah, it's actually quite easy to do. Free arm sewing, removing bed extension. Remove the bed extension. So I'm gonna remove this, and I think something. Could this be it? Oh yeah, so you can remove this so you can sew like smaller pieces easily. So yeah, so that was in there. Remove it so you can sew like your armholes and things that you may need to pass around here easily. And retracting knife. To sew without cutting the fabric edge, you need to retract the knife. So there is a retracting knife. We're going to figure that out, all that out later. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm sure it's already very long. How to attach the extension table. Let's see if we can. Oh, okay, I think that's, yeah, fairly straightforward. So once you remove this, you can attach the extension table the same way, and you have an extension for yourself. Yeah, that's so cute. So if you're sewing larger fabrics, well, I don't think this makes so much of a difference, but yeah, it's something, right? It's something. So now let's use this machine for the first time. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna remove this. We don't need it anymore. I'm going to remove this and replace it with this because we're just going to test it out on something very small, guys. So okay. This is strange. Okay, maybe I need to get myself a scissors, but guys, it looks so good. I'm going to get another piece of material so we can try like something longer and actually really test this bad boy. Okay guys, so I had to actually like really quickly go through the manual to figure out how to thread the lower part of the machine because I broke something in the lower part. Basically, I broke one of the threads, so I had to figure out how to thread it, and it was actually really easy to follow. I may make a detailed tutorial on how to, like, when I get the hang of this machine, I may make a detailed tutorial. I'm actually finding it very interesting. But now we are going to go ahead and test it out, and let's see. So this is my princess dart pattern. Like when I made the princess dart pattern, this was what I used to test my princess dart. So now we're going to try to overlock the inner edges, and oh my god guys, I'm so excited. Anyway, so raise it, put it in here. No problem. Guys, it's so good. It feels so good. And I've not adjusted any tensions, like basically using it as it came. Oh my god guys, can you see this? Oh, this feels like a dream come true. You guys have no idea how long I've wanted this. Can you guys see? Just look at that. I still haven't figured out how to cut my... I don't think there's a cutter on this, which is weird. Or I guess I haven't figured it out yet. But anyway, in the meantime, we'll use this. So this is it guys. It looks so good, like so neat. So, and this is our trim trap. It has collected all the dirt. Well, I'm sure you still have to do a lot of cleaning, regular cleaning, but at least this helps protect your table. So I forgot to tell you guys how much it actually cost me to get this overlocker. It cost £269, and I got it from a sewing machine shop close to the house, but they have an online store, and it is sewingmachinesuk.co.uk. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. That was the cheapest I saw it for. I saw it on Amazon for £2.99, but I saved an extra £30 by just getting it from these people. I saw it on another site for £2.79, but they had the cheapest price. So I'll link it down below for anyone interested in, you know, purchasing one if you're in the UK. So guys, that's it for the unboxing of this beautiful overlocker. Like, we unboxed it together. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of the accessories that came with it. Yeah, so it has been launched, and I'm looking forward to using this, so just enjoying it. You guys have no idea, I've wanted this for so long. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, but leave a comment down below. Let's get talking, let's get chatting, let's get to know each other, and just let me know your thoughts and opinion on this brother 3034DWT Overlocker. See you in the next video. Bye.